This pretty little pair is for sale. They're unrelated to all of our birds. And just a normal pair of Bourke's parakeets. And we took them in when somebody was not going to be raising birds anymore. I don't know a whole lot about them, except that they're very sweet little normals, a male and a female. He indicated that the male is older than the female, and she has an orange band, plastic band, but other than that, they're not banded. So there's no date on a leg band. They seem healthy. We've probably had them about a year. And originally I thought maybe I would split them up, put him with one of my Rubino hens, and then I came across a Rosie that I ended up putting with her instead. So these are actually an extra pair for us that I don't need, and if anybody would like to make me an offer and would be willing to come to the South Coast or near here somewhere to get them, that would be a good thing. And they're a sweet couple of Bourkes. Yes, you're good birdies. Yes, you are. Very sweet birdies. Who's that down there making noise? That's our new puppy. Okay, bye for now. We don't have very many birds still for sale, but this little normal little hen is still here. She was hand-fed. That's my puppy squeaking his toys. So she's available still, one of the few left from 2021. Pretty blue under her tail, huh? You're going to show us how pretty you are. She says, I keep coming over. I want you to come and visit me, Mom. Sashi, be quiet. Anyway, and this little opaline fallow was parent-fed, and she's beautiful. She has red eyes and light-edged wings and very pink. Her parents are next door, and they actually parent-fed her. She's one of the few survivors they've had. So Mom is an opaline, Mom is a Rubino hen, and Dad is a really pretty opaline Rosie. So that's their parents. Yeah. And actually, I guess these are sisters. When I think about it, this normal is also out of that same pair. Yeah. So they're just different clutches. Is that right? I need to go double check that. No. That's right. They didn't raise you, did they? No. I need to go check that out and see who her parents are. I've forgotten. I have forgotten who your parents are, sweetie. I have to go look. Too many birds for me to remember everybody. But I do know that this opaline fallow is out of Ruby and Rudy. Yeah. And down on the bottom is my glitter, who was hatched here. He's a splendid parakeet, and he's not for sale. I am looking for a hen for him, however. And I have his sister, if anybody would like to maybe swap hens, splendid hens. That would be great. Or she's also for sale, the splendid hen. Yeah. But not Glitter, who's a male. His red chest is starting to come in. Yeah, and you are a sweetie. Yes, you are. You asking for some rice check cereal? One of your favorites? Yeah. So if you have any questions about any of these, you can write to me at rosie.birds@gmail.com. I'll put the information at the end of the video. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful week.